Hi friends, this is Naresh. In this class I am going to explain about engineering drawing, and today's topic is diagonal scales. In previous class already we have discussed about plane scales. We have seen that the plane scales give only two dimensions, such as a unit and its subunit. Whereas in diagonal scales it gives us three successive dimensions, that is a unit and subunit and a subdivision of subunit. Okay, here I will explain the basic principle of diagonal scale. Here I consider a right angle triangle. So I named this as XY and Z. So I consider right angle triangle XYZ. Okay, I consider this XY line, this horizontal XY line, I consider this as subunit. Okay, I consider this as a subunit and take a suitable or any convenient length. Now divide this vertical line into 10 equal parts. Okay, and draw parallel lines parallel to XY line. Now these from geometry we know that similar triangles have their like sides proportional. Okay, consider any two similar triangles. I consider XYZ triangle XYZ and 7-7Z triangles. Okay, here I want to I want to know the value of 7-7. Okay, the value of 7-7 equal to 7. From here to here the value is 7 by total height, that is 10. 7 by 10 into length of subdivision, that is XY. So the length of 7-7 equal to 0.7 XY. Okay, similarly 1 dash line represents 0.1 1 division, 2 dash line represents 0.2 division, 3 dash represents 0.3, 4 dash represents 0.4, 5 dash represents 0.5. It represents 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9 and 1. Okay, so XY is the subdivision and these are the subdivisions of subunit. Okay, this is the basic principle of a diagonal scale. Okay, now coming to the problem. The distance between Delhi and Agra is 200 kilometers. In a railway map it is represented by a line 5 centimeters long. Find its RF. Draw a diagonal scale to show single kilometer and maximum 600 kilometers. Indicate on it following distances. Here look at the question. the original distance is, that means original distance means original length. Actual length of railway map is actual length is 200 kilometers, and the drawing size is 5 centimeters. So RF equal to drawing size divided by actual size. Here the drawing size is 5 centimeters divided by actual size is 200 kilometers, equal to 1 by 40 lakhs. That means 5 centimeters divided by 200 kilometer. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters, and 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. So 1 kilometer equal to 1 lakh centimeters. Okay, 5 divided by 200 into 1 lakh centimeters. Total the value of RF equal to 1 by 40 lakhs. 1 by 40 lakhs. Therefore, the length of the scale equal to RF into maximum length up to measure. Here the maximum length up to measure is 600 kilometers. Therefore, RF into 600 kilometers. Again here 10 power 5 means 1 kilometer is converted into centimeters. That is 10 power 5 centimeter, 1 lakh centimeters. Therefore, the length of the scale equal to 15 centimeters. So first of all, you have to draw an horizontal line. This horizontal line is equal to the length of the scale. So that is the length of the scale equal to 15 centimeters. So here I consider the line as 15 centimeters, and divided this horizontal line into number of equal parts, that is 600 kilometers. So you have to divide this horizontal line into 6 equal parts. That means each main division represents 100 kilometers. Okay, 100 kilometers, 200 kilometers, 300, 400, 500, 600, total 600 kilometers. Okay, this line represents 600 kilometers. Okay, now divide this main division into 10 subdivisions. Okay, it represents each subdivision equal to 10 kilometers. 10 kilometers, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Okay, so this is a main division, this is subdivision. Okay, now consider 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters height, 5 or 10, take any suitable height. Here I consider 5 centimeters height and draw vertical lines and draw horizontal lines. I divide this height into 10 equal parts. Okay, I divided this height into 10 equal parts, and I divided this main division into 10 equal parts. Now join diagonal lines as like this. Join this 9th division to 10th division, this like this. Draw parallel line parallel to this first line. These all are diagonal lines. Okay, this is first division. Sorry, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, totally there are 10 divisions. And show a distance of you have to mark the distance of triple 222 kilometers on this scale. So 222 kilometers, 336 kilometers, and 459 kilometers, and 569 kilometers. You have to show these values on this scale. First of all, I will show the value of 569 kilometers on this scale. So you have to consider, you have to divide this 569 into 500 kilometers plus 60 kilometers plus 9 kilometers. Okay, so each main division, each main division represents 100 kilometers, and this subdivision represents 10 kilometers, and this subunits represents 1 kilometer. This is 0, 1 kilometer, 2, 3, 4, and up to 10 kilometers. So these are the main units, these are subunits, these are the subdivisions of subunit. Okay, so 100 kilometers, 10 kilometers, 1 kilometer. So you have to divide this 569 kilometers into 500 plus 60 plus 9. Okay, totally you have to divide this into 3 divisions. So from here to here, that is 500 kilometers, and from here to here, that is 6th division equal to 60 kilometers, and from here to here 9 represents 9 kilometers. So from here to here, the total length is 569. That is 5 from here to here, 500 plus 69. That is this is a 6th line, this is a 9th line. The corresponding intersecting point is 69 kilometers. Similarly, next I will show the value of 459 kilometers on this scale. So you have to divide this 459 into 400 kilometers plus 50 kilometers plus 9 kilometers. So 59, first of all you have to represent the value of 59 kilometers. So you have to take this 50 line and 9 line, 9th line, that is the corresponding intersecting point is 59. So from here to here 59 kilometers, and from here to here 400 kilometers. So totally the value is 459 kilometers. Now I will represent the value of 336 kilometers on this scale. First of all, you have to divide this 336 into 300 kilometers plus 30 kilometers plus 6 kilometers. So you first of all you have to show the value of 36 kilometers on this scale. So 3rd line and 6th line. Okay, from here to here 0, 10, 20, 30. So this is 30 kilometers, and this is 6 kilometers line. So this intersecting point is 36 kilometers, and from here to here the total is 300 kilometers, 336 kilometers. Okay, similarly I will show the value of 222 kilometers. So first of all you have to show the value of 22 kilometers. That is 20 division 20 and 2. The corresponding intersecting point is like this, and 200 kilometers from here to here. So the total value is 222 kilometers. So these are the our required values. Now coming to the another problem. A rectangular plot of land measuring 1.28 hectares is represented on a map by a similar rectangle of 8 square centimeters. Calculate RF of the scale. Draw a diagonal scale to read single meter. Show a distance of 438 meters on it. Okay, here the actual length is in here a rectangle plot of land measuring 1.28 hectares. So the actual length of land is 1.28 hectares. It is represented by a map, that is drawing size is 8 square centimeters. Okay, 8 square centimeters. Calculate RF. So first of all you have to calculate the value of RF. So RF equal to drawing size divided by actual size. So first you have to know the value of hectare. 1 hectare equal to 10,000 square meters. Okay, so 1.28 hectares equal to 1.28 into 10,000 square meters equal to 1.28 into 10 power 8 square centimeters, and 8 square centimeters equal to like this. So already you have to know about RF equal to, for areas you have to take square root of drawing size divided by actual size. So therefore RF equal to, here the drawing size is 8 square centimeters divided by square root of 8 divided by 1.28 hectares. That value equal to like this. So RF equal to 1 by 4,000. Here the maximum length up to measure is not given, so you have to take a rounded value, that is here I consider the maximum length up to measure is 600 meters. Okay, so the length of the scale equal to RF into maximum length up to measure. So length of a scale equal to 1 by 4,000 into 600 meters. Okay, now divide this length of the scale into 6 equal parts, because here I consider the maximum length up to measure is 600 meters. Therefore you have to divide this line into 6 equal parts, that is 100 kilometer, 200 kilometer, 300, 400, 500, 600. 600 meters, sorry, 100 meters, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600 meters. Okay, and you have to divide this into 10 subdivisions, that is 10 meters, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, this is the main division, this is a subdivision, and this is a subdivision of subunit. You have to consider a vertical height of 5 or 10 centimeters and divided into 10 horizontal lines, that is 10 equal parts, and join diagonal lines like this. You have to join diagonal lines. These are the diagonal lines. Okay, here the main division is 100 meters, subdivision is 10 meters, and sub unit is 1 meter. 1 meter. Okay. Here you have to represent the value of 438. That is, you have to show on this scale that value is 438 meters. So you have to, first of all, you have to split this 438 meters into 400 meters plus 30 meters plus 8 meters. So it represents single meter, it represents 10 meters, it represents 100 meters. So you have to mark, first of all you have to mark value of 38 meters. So for 0, 10, 20, 30 meters and 8 meters. So this is the 38 kilometers. From here to here the value is 38, and from here to here the value is 400. So the total value is 438 meters. So this is 438 meters. Now coming to the another problem. Draw a diagonal scale of RF 1:2.5. So this is RF value showing centimeters, millimeters, and long enough to measure up to 20 centimeters. So in this case RF value is 1:2.1, that is 1/2.5, and the maximum distance up to measure is 20 centimeters. So therefore the length of the scale equal to RF into maximum distance up to measure. So 1/2.5, 1/2.5 is RF value into 20 centimeters is the maximum distance up to measure. Therefore the total length of the scale equal to 8 centimeters. Okay. Now draw a horizontal line. The length of this horizontal line equal to 8 centimeters. Okay. You have to divide this line into 4 equal parts, because here the maximum distance up to measure is 20 centimeters. Okay. And divide this main division into 5 equal parts. Okay. Each main division represents 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay, each main division represents 5 centimeters, 10 centimeters, 15 and 20. So each main division represents 5 centimeters, and a subunit represents 1 centimeter. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is main division, this is subdivision. Now okay, here totally we have to consider 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is a subdivision of a subunit. Okay, 1 centimeter, this is 1/10 centimeter, that means mm, 1 mm, 2 mm, 3 mm, 4 mm, 10 mm. Okay, this is 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3, 4, 5. This is 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters. Draw diagonal lines. This is RF value, type of scale, main division and subdivision. Okay, here I want to mark, I want to show some value, that is 13.4 centimeters. How to represent this value 13.4 centimeters? How to show this value on this scale? First of all, you have to calculate. This is 5 totally. From here to here the value is 10 centimeters, and this is 1 2 3 centimeters. So 13 centimeters from here to here, 13 centimeters. 1 2 3 4. So this is 0.4. Okay, 4 mm. So from here to here 3.4. This, okay, 3.4 plus 10. Okay, total 13.4 centimeters. Okay, thank you.